Hi, second grade. Welcome to Thursday's work for week 7. This is your last day of work for school. Okay, so the first page, you're going to measure things, okay? Now, boys and girls in here, they kind of helped you with number 1 already. I'm going to show you, if you were to, you might have to make this bigger. Actually, let's do that, okay? Let's go ahead and make this bigger real quick. And so on here, it says the crown is blank inches long. So they said 5 and they put IN for inches. And so you can look down here on this ruler. I don't know if you can see it very well. I might have to blow it up some more. But if you go down, you can cut right from there. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want you to color in how many inches long it is, okay? And I'm going to have you do that for the rest of these also as well, okay? You just have to go from the end of the item, okay? Some of them are kind of hard, like this one. You have to go all the way to the end right there, all right? Not any of the other ends, so that you can find out how big it is, okay? So you're just going to write a number that you are finding how big long it is, and then put IN for inches, okay? That is an abbreviation for inches. And then for reading, you're going to read this story and answer these questions. And boys and girls, please do complete sentences. How did Sybil get soaked? Don't just say she got soaked because, say Sybil got soaked by, and tell me, okay? Use words from the question to help you answer. And then on the last page, you are just doing punctuation. You are just adding a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point to the end of the sentence. You're going to tell me which one makes the most sense, okay? Now, this is the last page of work for you to do. Friday technically was supposed to be play day and or field day, and so we're not going to actually have you do any work. However, there are some fitness things you can do on Friday when you're outside. We really just want you to go outside and play on Friday, but here are some things. You can get a coin out and flip it for heads or tails, and if you get heads, you have to do 10 jumping jacks. If you get tails, you have to do 20 high knees in one place. Okay, then try it again. If you get heads, you do 5 push-ups, or if you get tails, you do 10 shoulder touches. 10 shoulder touches. Okay, so those are some options for you to do. Another option you might be able to do for field day at home is get a dice out and do some yoga. Okay, here are some things for you to do for yoga and when you roll the dice. Okay, and then there's one more. It is kind of like a Monopoly game or a Candyland game a little bit. You're going to also get a dice or something like that, and then get a token or something and go to start and then roll the dice, and whatever you land on, you do that many things. So if you roll the dice and rolled a 2, you'd go 1, 2, and you'd have to do 3 push-ups. Roll the dice again and say you got a 5. So then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, free space. So that means you don't have to do anything, okay? Then roll again. Let's say you get a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you get a shortcut all the way to do 25 air punches. That's like punching the air with your hands, okay? And then let's say you get a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're done, okay? So you could play that too. I hope you enjoy your Friday fun day outside. And have a good day. Have a good week. We might be able to see you when you are turning in your iPads or something next week. And hope to see you. Have a good rest of your day and rest of the week. I miss you guys. We'll see you later. This is the end of second grade. Woohoo!